realize na that's the price of hustling. That's the price of always thinking, always working, always on the go, without even taking care of ourselves. No, yung pala yung price if hindi natin pinaprioritize yung sarili natin. And that's a reminder that we have to be intentional. And as a millennial, yan, marami pong makaka-relate dito na we are focused on having that life-work balance. To the point that we are fulfilling many roles in our lives, family, work, and na leaving us empty. And we have to be reminded, we cannot pour from an empty cup. Dapat lagi tayong intentional na inuuna yung health natin. Because we cannot really do something meaningful if wala. I understand that cardiovascular health is influenced by a lot of factors, including how many hours do we sleep, what are the foods that we choose to eat, and of course, the level of physical activity that we do on a daily basis. So, i-add nyo pa rin dyan yung how do we manage our stress, di ba? So, as a mother, I'm also a community leader and an advocate for autism. I have a lot on my plate. Marami po talaga akong ginagawa. Especially if meron kaming mga big ideas na work out. Napupuyat po talaga ako. So, dun na talaga na we want to do our best. We want to do our best and we want to serve. And that's when transfer factor cardio plays a big role in the success of these projects. Because habang ginagawa ko po yung mga bagay that I am passionate about, si TF Cardio naman yung nag-aalaga sa akin. So, siya po yung ibibigay sa akin ng clarity of thoughts that I need, and of course, the energy that I need throughout the day. And actually, I'm already 33. I can say na hindi po ako madaling mapagod. Compared when I was 26, on my late 20s, I remember dun ako nagkaroon ng very bad palpitations. So yung palpitations ko, bigla na lang po siyang aatake without even, wala akong heavy or strenuous activity, pero bigla na lang siyang kakabog yung dibdib ko. And how can you do something meaningful or kahit gumawa ka lang, if natatakot kang gumawa, if natatakot kang kumilos, no? Dahil baka mapano ka, or I'm actually irritated na gawin din yung mga simple tasks. So, transfer factor cardio is the one that helps me. The best partner that I can say is transfer factor cardio, because saying yes to a healthy heart means that we are also saying yes to more moments that we can build, more energy to show up, and more dreams that we can make happen.
And thank you so much for sharing that inspiring story. So it's a great reminder that while we take care of our families, careers, and communities, we should also take care of our own health. A healthy heart gives us the energy and strength to keep doing what we love and to be there for the people who matter most. Again, thank you so much, Ms. Nicolay, for sharing with us why heart health should always be a priority. So our next panelist is an architect by profession and a father of two beautiful daughters, Frank Uy Tessie. Hi, Sir Frank. Hello everyone. I heard you were declined multiple times when you applied for a life insurance. Can you tell us more?
Alright, thank you for that question. So, when I was 28 years old, pinapostpone na ang application ko para sa life insurance. Ang ibig sabihin nito, maaari lamang ako ma-approve kung papasa ako sa stress test na ako mismo magbayad. Okay? So dahil doon, hindi ko na tinuloy ang pagdagdag ng insurance. Mga 20 years ago, tagal-tagal na, no? Nag-imbita sa amin ang isang kaibigan na dumalo sa 4Life Wellness Seminar. Sakto naman na may nagbahagi ng kanyang testimony patungkol sa transfer factor sa kanyang puso at blood circulation. Dahil doon, nagdesisyon kaming bumili ng Diamond Pack. Ito ay 10 plus 2 bottles na transfer factor. Nung umuwi kami, na-realize namin na, ay, babayaran pala namin ito. So pagdating sa due date, kaya sinunod namin ang payo ng aming upline o yung nag-imbita sa amin. Naggumawa kami ng prospectus, mga 300 ang pangalan, ang kanilang contact details, at ang mga concerns nila. Okay, isa-isa namin silang kinontak at tinawagan. Sa loob ng 3 linggo, naubos yung 10 botelya. Kaya libre yung ininom ko, libre din ininom ni Mrs. Okay, bago pa maubos yung isang botelya, yung unang botelya, may kakaiba na akong naramdaman. Ang madalas pagsakit ng batok, likod at saka dibdib ay unting-unting nawala. Mas magaan ang aking pakiramdam at mas maayos ang aking pang-araw-araw na ginagawa. Pagkalipas ng ilang taon, bumalik ako sa insurance company upang alamin kung maaari ba akong magdagdag ng Sir Frank, may record ka dito. Ngunit kung gusto mo, ay muli ka lang mag-apply at magpapadala kami ng doktor sa iyong tahanan para bigyan ka ng medical exam at urine laboratory test. Nagulat ako dahil paglabas ng mga test, nakapasa lahat. Naisipan ko, baka nagkataon lang. Kaya nag-apply din ako sa isa pang insurance company. Pareho rin ang naging resulta. Nakapasa ako sa mga medical requirements. Doon ko na nalaman na hindi ito simpleng tsamba lamang, kundi malaking bagay ang kontribusyon ng 4Life products, especially na yung cardio, sa aking puso at sa aking alta presyon. Okay? Nagpapasalamat ako sa 4Life. Dahil kung ito ay nakatulong sa akin at nakatulong sa mga kaibigan ko, sigurado ako, especially sa bagong cardio formulation natin, na makatulong din sa inyong lahat. Salamat!
Wow! That story from Sir Frank, diba? From being able to qualify for additional insurance dahil sa health concerns and to eventually passing the medical requirements of not just one, but 2 insurances, diba? Naging 2 na yung insurance ni Sir Frank. That's amazing talaga. So nakaka-inspire na makita kung paano nagbago ang kanyang overall wellness through consistent product use. So thank you so much for sharing their inspiring journey. So our next panelist is a seasoned businesswoman, a 67-year-old from Polomolok, Miss Angie Merced. Hi, Mama Angie.
Hi.
Can you walk us through your health journey and what changes in your daily life and wellness routine made the biggest difference for you?
Dati-rati, umiinom ako ng 8 maintenance medicines. Kasama na po doon yung para sa high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and mataas na triglycerides. In my first month, napagtitake ko ng 4Life products, especially the Big 4, kasama na yung Cardio and Bio-FA. Nagulat ang doktor ko dahil naging normal ang lahat ng aking blood chemistry results. Sa sobrang ganda ng improvement sa aking health, siya na mismo ang nagsabi na pwede ko nang itigil ang pag-inom ng aking mga maintenance medicines. So I started in 4Life in 2014. Ngayon, 2026 na. 12 years na po akong walang 8 maintenance drugs. Pero syempre, hindi pwedeng, porque ikaw ay umiinom ng 4Life, pabaya ka na lang sa pagkain. importante rin na sabayan ito ng healthy lifestyle. May kasabihan, what you eat is what you will become. Tama? Kaya religiously po, umiinom ako ng aking For Life. Sinasama ko na pati asawa ko, mga anak ko. Kasi ang hirap painumin minsan, ano? Hinahabol mo pa. Pero ngayon, ginagawa ko na yung mga iniinom. Kaya ngayon, naging habit ko na that everyday I'm taking my For Life products and at the same time, eating habits at regular na exercise. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much from Algie. That's amazing actually. It is also a wonderful reminder that proper supplementation should go hand in hand with a healthy lifestyle, good nutrition, and a regular exercise. Thanks so much for sharing your inspiring testimony with us, Ma'am Angie. And now, down to our last panelist is a 78-year-old retired banker from Baguio, Sir Ed Soriano. Hi, Sir Ed. Hello. Many people assume aging automatically means slowing down physically. What surprised you most about your strength and endurance after taking TF Cardio, especially now that you can do more push-ups at your age?
Well, thank you for this opportunity, Sir Toff. What surprised me most is that at my age, I'm actually becoming stronger instead of weaker. Before aging, but after consistently taking transfer factor cardio, I noticed I had more stamina, faster recovery, and better endurance. Yes. Imagine at 78 years old, I can do more push-ups, more than before. For me, that's proof that when we support our body properly, aging does not have to mean losing strength. Productive and enjoy life with energy. Thank you so much.
Ayan, sample de joke lang. Thank you so much, Sir Ed. Just kidding. Thanks so much, Sir Ed. So that's very actually amazing, you know? It just goes to show that age doesn't have to define our limits. With the right support and consistency, we can stay active, strong, and full of energy for years to come. And to all our panelists, thank you so much for sharing your stories with us today. Your experiences remind us that cardiovascular wellness is not just about avoiding illness. It's about having the strength, energy, and quality of life to keep showing up for the people we love and the purpose we live for. From medical insight to personal transformation, today's panel has shown us that taking care of the heart is truly one of the most important decisions we can make. At this point, we would like to request all presidentials and presidential elites who advance rank from July 2025 to May 2026 to please proceed to the right side of the stage. Again, to presidential and presidential elites who advance rank from July 2025 to May 2026 to please proceed to the right side of the stage. And to continue with this program, let's watch this video.
What connects the entire human family, no matter where we come from? What does every one of us have in common? Every person on this planet is connected because fall in love with 4 Life Transfer Factor Cardio. This best-in-class cardio protective formula provides targeted support and features clinically studied ingredients renowned for their impact on cardiovascular health. The powerful ingredients in 4 Life Transfer Factor Cardio provide robust cellular defense against a stressful lifestyle, support the cardiovascular system, boost indicators of nitric oxide, and of course, support your immune system. 4Life Transfer Factor Cardio is the only cardiovascular product in the world powered by 4Life Transfer Factor to educate your immune system. The first line of defense for a healthy
Ako na
heart.
lang ha, may gagawin pa.